Hello everyone! Today we will draw an ant. So what should we start with?
Let's start with a round head for our ant. Now let's draw the face. 2 little eyes, a tiny nose, and a big happy smile. Next, we move to the ant's body. It's made of 2 small circles. Let's add black antennae on top of the head. Boing, boing. Now it's time to draw the legs. An ant has 6 legs. First leg, second leg, third, fourth, fifth, and finally, the 6th leg. Six legs! That looks so funny and cute! Let's draw a little hat in his hand. How stylish! Now it's time to color. Let's color his mouth pink. The hat will be purple. And we'll color the ant gray. Oh, wow! He's coming to life!
Hello!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.